Hi guys, I'm just doing a quick trial thing here because I saw somebody post this on one of my Facebook groups and I thought I'd try it. They said that they got these little plaques and they subbed right on top of it, no pre-treatment, nothing. No laminate, no polyacrylic. So I just want to see if it works. My plan was to do this with a laminate, but I'm going to try this. I have some extras, so if this doesn't work, then this is going to wind up being my trial piece for everything else. So I think they were $2. So I just have my piece here that I took the sticker off of. I gave it a quick lint roll just in case. And here's my image. Just going to line it up. Okay, secure it with some heat tape. And when I saw it on Facebook, in this woman's video, she did 400 for 90 seconds, but my heat press runs a little tiny bit hot, so I'm doing it at 395 for 87 seconds. Okay, let's see how this worked. Oh, okay. That seemed to work. I think I'm going to go put it in front of a fan because it looks like it wants to bleed. But that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to do another one with the thermal laminate, see if I like it better. So I'm going to try this again, the second one, with this thermal laminate. I already have used the piece. So you want the shiny side up. Okay. I decided I'm going to cut the laminate first because last time I tried it, or the first time I tried laminate, I didn't like how the laminate felt after I pressed and then cut it. It had like a rough edge to it. So I have a Cricut mat, but you can use anything that won't get cut. And I just put it on there and cut them. Peel the excess. And I'm trying to keep it perfect. So now, so I think it will actually, the edges will press nicer if I do it this way. Okay. So I'm just going to press it for a few seconds to adhere it, and then press my sub over it. Okay, I'm just using the same settings. So I just pressed it for a few seconds to adhere the laminate. And what I've noticed, because there's a little lip on this, it doesn't want to press certain parts of it. Alright, so my X-Acto knife wasn't working out too good. So this is one of those things, TikTok told me to do it this way, and this is working out perfect. I have one side left. Oop. And this is definitely cutting like a dream. So I don't know if my X-Acto knife is maybe just dull, but boop, perfect. So I like that. That makes me feel better. I don't like when you can feel the hard parts of the laminate after you've pressed it and then cut it. I just don't feel like it's professional feeling. So I have another image here, same image, because that's what the client wanted. And on the last one, I did take this staple out, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it with this. My screwdriver's in the other room, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. And this doesn't have to be a super exact design because it's a little abstract. So I'm just going to make sure it all lines up. Okay. And I'm going to do it 398 for 57 seconds. Okay, this is really only my second time using the laminate, but I really like it. So, oh, I forgot it's taped. I'm going, why is this so difficult to pull up? So look at that ink release. It's like nothing on the paper. This 100% looks so much better. Here, I'll put them side by side. So this is just straight wood. This is laminate. Maybe in the camera it doesn't look that much different, but it looks different in person. The one with the laminate definitely looks more finished and professional. The wood one looks nice. Maybe it's just this image because it's so light. Maybe brighter colors, deeper, richer colors might look better. But for this particular project, I'm definitely going with the laminate. It looks great. So there's how you do laminate. So just to finish this off, I was going to put some vinyl, adhesive vinyl on it because they wanted some words, but they wanted white with black outline. But I decided I'm going to do it in HTV. So this is the shadow, and I'm just going to layer it. I am going to put a piece of paper down just to make sure that my sublimation ink doesn't get on my Teflon. So just like always, it's 315. I'm just going to tack it for 5 seconds. Nice. And then put the next layer on in white. Oh, forgot to weed a spot. Okay. See, I actually like using HTV because I can make sure it's perfect, unlike regular vinyl. Kind of once it's on, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to change up. Normally, I do that parchment paper technique, but I got a little overconfident and was like, oh, it'll be fine, I'll just line it up. And I'm just going to do one quick final press, make sure it's really on there good, even though I think it is. Okay, now this is the final. I'm just going to put some cord on the back, and this is what this is what I'll be giving to the client.